9 steps to write an essay. 1. Read your essay prompt thoroughly. 2. Choose a topic. 3. Outline the essay. 4. Structure of the essay. 5. Writing the essay. 6. Write your introduction paragraph. 7. Write the body of your essay. 8. Write a conclusion. 9. Editing your essay. How to write an essay. Write an essay. These are words that strike fear into the hearts of English learners, and, truth to tell, plenty of native English speakers as well. There's just something intimidating about a blank piece of paper, or a blank screen, that you have to fill up. But don't worry, we're going to walk you through the process, step by step. The key is to plan your essay well and outline it, rather than just plunging in. This way, you'll be thinking about how the different parts of your essay fit together. Are you ready? Nine steps to write an essay. 1. Read your essay prompt thoroughly. 2. Choose a topic. 3. Outline the essay. 4. Structure of the essay. 5. Writing the essay. 6. Write your introduction paragraph. 7. Write the body of your essay. 8. Write a conclusion. 9. Editing your essay. Step 1. Read your essay prompt thoroughly. It is vitally important that you carefully read through the essay prompt and are sure that you fully understand it. You should look at any keywords within the prompt, such as discuss or compare. These words will give you a more clear idea of what is expected from the essay. You will then want to look at any specifics. For example, does the prompt ask you to write about a certain time period, product, or person? This will ensure that you are clear on the specifics and will not stray from them. Step 2. Choose a topic. Once you have fully read and understood what is being asked of you, it is time to select a topic to write on. You might decide to do some brainstorming and map out all the ideas that spring to mind. This should be done in a quiet place where you can focus on your ideas. Make notes of anything that comes to mind to begin with. You can narrow these down later on. Once you have completed your brainstorming, you can now select a more specific idea which is related to the original essay question. If you are struggling with finding the right topic, you might choose to do some research or ask for help. Step 3. Outline the essay. Before you can put pen to paper, it is important to plan out your essay and outline what you will write. This will give you a much easier time when it comes to actually writing the essay. Things you will want to consider when outlining your essay might be as follows. What are the main ideas you want to put across? What are your own thoughts? How will you structure your essay? What statistics and data might you include? Once you have done this, you will want to begin conducting any research that is necessary. One of the most crucial points when writing an essay is that any information you include is correct and up to date. For this reason, you should ensure that you perform your research using credible sources. Step 4. Structure of the essay. We are now going to take a look at an example of how your essay might be structured. Introduction. An initial sentence outlining the essay. Thesis statement. Body of the essay. Detail statistics. Talk about relevant information. Present any research you have performed. Include any data you have discovered relative to the subject. Conclusion. Give the thesis statement once again. Support your arguments. Include a call to action. Step 5. Writing the essay. You should start with creating a thesis statement. This is a sentence which details the reason for writing the essay and gives the reader a clear picture as to what it will be about. It is important to include the following points in your thesis statement. The topic of the essay. Your main argument. You should include this thesis statement in the beginning paragraph, but feel free to refer back to it at various points throughout your work. This will serve as a reminder to readers, but it is important that you do not overdo this. Step 6. Write your introduction paragraph. In order to write an introduction which is going to grab the attention of your readers, you should include something which is particularly interesting, such as a shocking statistic or an anecdote. You can also use the following sentence starters. This essay discusses. In this essay, article, or document. The theme of this essay, article, we will be discussing. You can get as creative as you wish, but it is important to remember that the introduction should stay relevant to the topic of the essay. Step 7. Write the body of your essay. Following are words and phrases you can use as sentence starters. Introducing points. Firstly, secondly, thirdly. Earlier. Afterwards. First of all. Finally. In addition. In the first instance. After this. Additionally. With this in mind. Finally. To begin with. Comparing and contrasting. However. Nevertheless. That being said. Then again. On the other hand. Although. In comparison. Whereas. On the one hand. Other than. Outside of. Rather. Still. Emphasizing. Above all. As usual. Generally speaking. For the most part. In this situation. No doubt. Obviously. Still. especially. Expressing result. As a result. For this reason. For this purpose. Otherwise. Since. So that. Then. Subsequently. This means that. Therefore. That is why. Because. Due to the fact that. Adding ideas. Furthermore. Also. Then. In addition. Moreover. As well as. Coupled with. Another reason. Indeed. Identically. Likewise. Additionally. Giving examples. For example. Such as. For instance. As an example. You might consider. For one thing. Especially. As an illustration. To illustrate this. Markedly. In this case. This can be seen specifically. Giving inconclusive ideas. Perhaps. There is some evidence to suggest that. It may be. It could be. It is possible that. Giving rare or uncommon ideas. A few. Rarely. Unusually. Seldom. On occasion. Quite often. Step 8. Write a conclusion. You now have the opportunity to sum up your thoughts and also point toward the thesis statement for a final time. This will serve as a support to your position on the subject. You can use the following sentence starters for writing a conclusion. In conclusion, to summarize, we have seen that it has been demonstrated that. To sum up. Step 9. Editing your essay. Before you submit your essay, it is very important that you reread it and make any edits with spelling and grammar, as well as adding in or taking away any information which you deem necessary. You might consider reordering your essay so that the most important points are included first and less important ones nearer to the end of the essay. Once this is done, you should take the time to read through your essay a few more times to make certain that it is as good as it can possibly be. Do you feel more confident now? If not, don't be too concerned. Writing essays is difficult for everyone. But if you break the process down into individual steps, as we've shown you how to do in this video, it will get easier. Good luck.